Hey, what's up? This is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video, I'll be telling you how you can start and grow your affiliate marketing business. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my tips and strategies that will help you to build a sustainable business online. So now coming back to this video, I'll be telling you my 4-step process that will help you to grow your affiliate marketing business. So very first thing, let me tell you what exactly is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is it's a process where you are required to promote other people's products and in turn get a commission. So as you can see in the diagram, there is a vendor who has created a product, be it info-based product, be it a physical product, be it a training or anything. They are targeting that particular product to a set of customers in that particular niche. So as an affiliate, your job is to promote that product, put that product out to the right target audience, and earn a commission as soon as they make a sale using your affiliate link. So the idea is you need to find the right people, the right customers for that particular product. You need to identify what problems that particular customer is facing in their business and how that product which you are going to promote is going to solve those problems. So if you come across as a problem solver giving value to the people, then you are definitely going to get successful. And if you come across as a pushy salesman, just promoting your link to everywhere on internet, just posting your links in different forums and all, you are not going to get success. So there is a secret formula which you have to follow in order to find the right target audience and promote that particular product. So that 4-step secret formula is, first of all, you need to identify who is your target audience. Where can you find that target audience? The next thing is the bait or the value which you're going to provide to lure that customer to buy that particular product. And the last thing is the results, as to where you will take that customer if they decide to pick up that product, what results they are going to get out of that product. So these are the 4 steps which you need to follow in order to grow in the field of affiliate marketing. I'm going to cover these 4 steps in detail now. So the very first thing is, who is your dream customer, dream client? So let's say you are going to promote a product in make money online niche. So you have to find out who is your dream customer for that product. Who are the people who really needed that product? So you need to do some research on internet as to finding the right customer. You can also get those details right on the sales page of the product which you are going to promote, where they list that who are the people who are going to get benefit out of that particular product. So you need to make a picture in your mind as to who that particular customer is going to be, how do they look like, what are their habits, where do they live, where do they hang out, what problems they are facing in their business, and how that product is going to help them to achieve the results which they're looking for. So that's the first step. You need to identify who is your dream customer. So once you have identified who is your dream customer, then you need to find out where can you find them. That is the most important part. You need to find the right target audience for your particular product or the offer. If you're promoting a make money online niche product, you would not want to promote that product in front of people who are into sports or who are looking to lose weight. So you need to find out where exactly those people hang out on internet, whether it's in a particular forum, whether it's in a particular Facebook group. So what you need to do, you need to join those forums, you need to join those Facebook groups. The next thing you have to take care in mind is, what bait will you use to attract those people? So you have found out who are your potential dream customers, where do they hang out, be it on a Facebook group or a particular forum. Now how you will attract them? So the best way to attract them is to answer their questions which they are asking, provide value to them. The other way you can attract them is by providing bonuses on top of the product which you are promoting. So for each and every product, you can add your own custom bonuses. Like in the Make Money Online niche, if you're promoting, let's say, a product to grow their YouTube channel, so provide your additional bonuses as to how they can set up a YouTube channel if someone is starting out. That information may not be covered in the course. So think from that point of view, what problems your customers are going to face after they have bought your product. And those bonuses can be your own content, can be your PLR content, it can be any YouTube video. Yes, a YouTube video from anyone can be a bonus. As long as a video is public on YouTube, that means you can use that video. You can provide that video as a bonus to someone. They may not have seen that video, so you can cash in on that and provide. And the fourth step is, what results do you want to give them? So you have identified who are your customers, you know where to find them, you have your hook or the bonus. You need to tell them what results they're going to achieve by using that particular product. So you have to show them that, okay, let's say you're promoting a YouTube ranking product. So by using that product, they can rank their videos on first page of YouTube, first page of Google. So you need to show them the results, what they're going to get out of that product. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, there is a very nice free course from Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels team that is called Affiliate Bootcamp 2.0. It's a free course. You don't have to pay a single penny for this course. These are all the trainers which you will get inside Affiliate Bootcamp. There's Steve Larson, Dave Cambrell, Rachel Pedersen, and these are like 15 super affiliates. And each of them has got a different approach in the business. Like Marley Baird, she's expert in YouTube, so she's going to tell you different strategies, what she's following in her business through YouTube. Then there is one guy, Greg Jeffries. He's an expert in SEO, so he's going to teach you all about SEO. So I'll give a link to this free course in the description down below. So just click on that link and you will come to this page, and you can just click on register and enter your email address, and you will get access to Affiliate Bootcamp. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you found some value, please make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions regarding affiliate marketing, do let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.